Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can overlay a video using the CapCut app. So if you want to overlay a video on top of another in CapCut, this tutorial will help you show how you can use the overlay feature in CapCut. So to start, you can just launch the CapCut applications. And then here you can just tap on new project and add the main video first. So here I'm going to just use one from the CapCut library. Okay, so let's say I want to use this videos right here. Tap on add. Okay, so this is the main video and I want to add another video on top of this one. So tap on the overlay button and choose to add overlay. Now you can use a photo or another video as the overlay. And here I'm going to find one again under the CapCut library. Let's add the atmosphere. Okay, I'm going to, let's say, add this one as the overlay. You can click on the video or picture that you want to set as the overlay. Tap on add again. Now if you want to resize it, you can just pinch in or out the video like this. I'm going to make it fit with the main video. And you can also reposition it if you want to. And to adjust the transparency, you can go to the opacity, but I'm going to just suggest you to use the Splice. Click on Splice and choose the mode that you want. You can choose which one that fits into the overlay. Let's say I'm going to just use the overlay mode, and here you can adjust the opacity of the overlay video. Click on a check icon, and here you can preview the result first. As you guys can see, that's the overlay. If you want to adjust the position again, you can do it by clicking on the overlay and adjust it again, and then preview the result again by playing it. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.